see how to make a conveyor pulley. These are the parts of the pulley: drum, shaft, key, retainer ring, end disc, hub, everything. And we'll see the assembly also, how to make a assembly of the pulley, conveyor pulley. Okay, and we'll see the section. This the section looks, and this is the assembly looks. Go to front plane, sketch, and make a circle here, and this circle diameter to be, and we make another circle, and this circle diameter to be 150 mm dia, and this inside circle to be 85 mm. Okay, then we make another circle and make for construction, that is a PCD. So we make a circle there, here. Okay, and make a line to fix this circle, and may select these two lines and give for construction. Okay, so we go to dimension and make the dimension. This is for 45°, and this diameter to be 12 dia hole. Okay, and PCD to be 120 dia PCD, and we'll make a circular pattern and select the pattern, this pattern, and make equal spacing. Okay, equal spacing, then okay. So our drawing is ready. Just exit and go to the extrude boss and extrude for 12 mm thick. Okay, change the direction and accept this, and we have to add the material. Add the material. Our material to be plain carbon steel. Okay, if you want to change the appearance, you can change your appearance. You can give your different colors as you like. I will select with some purple color, and save this. Make it in sequence. Add it 5 retainer ring. Okay, and save it. Okay, this retainer ring is ready now, and we'll make another one. Same front plane sketch and make a circle, and we make another circle. Then go to dimension, and this dimension to be 312 dia, and the inside diameter to be 140 mm dia, 140.5 dia. So we will extrude this for 8 mm thick, 10 mm thick. Okay, we'll extrude for 10 mm thick, and we will chamfer this, chamfer for 4 mm at 45°. Okay, this is for 4 mm 45° chamfer, and okay, this is almost done. So we have to make another chamfer also for the opposite side, outside, same 4 mm chamfer. Okay, okay, now our drawing it is same. We'll make some material here, same plain carbon steel. If you want to check the weight, you can go to evaluate and check the weight. I'm change the appearance. I'll make somewhat green here this time. Green, red, it is up to you. You can change you can fix your color. It depend upon your drawings. Okay, 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 our drawing is almost finished now. So save the file. Our file is 6. Is end disk. Okay, this is the end disk. So almost done. We'll make another drawing, front plane sketch, then make a circle, again circle, and we'll add the diameter. This diameter to be 312 and this diameter to be 200. Yeah, okay. Then go to extrude boss and extrude this to be for 8 mm thick. Okay, this is a stiffener plate, so okay, the 8 mm is enough for us. So we'll go to change the appearance here. Change the appearance as you like. What color you want, you can fix it and save this document. Save and put the sequence 7 stiffener ring. Okay, this is a stiffener ring. And thanks for watching. Next video we will make a assembly also, conveyor pulley assembly. So don't forget to subscribe our channel. If you want more videos, press the bell button. And thanks for watching. Keep subscribe, like the video, and if you have any questions, put it in the comment box.